name is Akash Pandey and today's topic is instantiation and inheritance. First, instantiation. Instantiation as immense word to define a universal and straightforward concept in Java program. Creating new instance of object to be used in a program. In this section, we will discuss what is instantiation in Java, how to instantiate a class, and what are the ways to create instance or objects of the class. Instantiation. In Java, instantiation means to call the constructor of a class that creates an instance or object of the type of the class. In other words, creating an object of the class is called instantiation. It occupies the initial memory for the object and returns a reference. And object instantiation in Java provides blueprint for the class. What is an object? It is a runtime entity. It contains the blueprint of the class. We can create any number of objects of a class. It may present user-defined data like vector, leads, etc. Syntax of instantiation. Class name and object name is equal to new class name. Creating instances. There are two ways to create instances: using the new keyword and using static factory method. Using the new keyword, Java provides the new keyword to instantiate of a class. Second part is inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of the parent object. It is an important part of OOPS concept. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing class. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse methods and fields of the parent class. Moreover, you can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents the ISA relationship, which is also known as a parent and child relationship. Why use inheritance in Java? For method overloading, so runtime polymorphism can be achieved. For code reusability. Terms used in inheritance. First, class. A class is a group of objects which have common property. It is a template or blueprint from which objects are created. Second, subclass and child class. Subclass is a class which inherits the other class. It is also called derived class, extend class, or child class. Third is parent class. Superclass is the class from where subclass inherits the features. Four is reusability. As the name specific, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the fields and methods of the existing class when you create a new class. Thank you so much.